Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today I've got a haul for you, so if you're interested to see what I found, keep on watching. Okay, everything is coming from Hobby Lobby. I picked up some things today that are a little different than from what I normally get. For instance, this is a bail, well, 9 different bails. I guess you can use those for like pendants or for bracelets. And so I like to make pendants, but sometimes I like to have something more fancy than just a basic like jump ring. So I think this would be easy to have the little hole there, you know, and then you can hang charms from them. I envision like leather necklaces maybe. Just have to play with this and see what I can come up with. See how creative I can get with these. But I had kind of been wanting to try these to make pendants. So that's the first thing from Metal Gallery. By the way, it was 50% off. So at Hobby Lobby, the Metal Gallery things were 50% off. These were 50% off. Jewelry Shop things, that's the other name brand. So I picked up, these are French ear wires like I always get. And then I thought I would try some kidney ear wires. I made an earring with some wires like this a few weeks ago, and I really liked it. It was something different that I normally don't use, and I'll have to do a tutorial on those. It was with some really pretty flower beads that I found. So I got kidney ear wires, and then I got the regular gold ones that I get that are French wires. And sometimes I will go on Amazon too. I know these, they're only $2 when they are on sale, but you can also go on Amazon if you need to get things in bulk. And so that's another thing you could do too. And then these are angled ear wires. So I thought I would just play with different ear wires this week, and you know, find different looks, different ways for the earrings to hang. So I got that pack of ear wires. I found some clay beads. These were kind of unique looking, I thought. I've seen something similar, but without these colors. So I like the vibrant blue, purple, and like cream there. There's navy. Thought it was different. I haven't seen this pattern yet on the clay beads. So I like that. See what I can do with that. I got some of you can make hoop earrings with these. I like to make the handmade ones, and then you can make these into like dangly ones. Some people don't like to wear that wire in their ear for the hoop, and they just want the ear wire. So with these, you just attach your beads, and then you can put the ear wire at the top. So I got those, and these were half off because it's Jewelry Shop. Also the beads, all beads were half off too. So that was half off, these clay beads. More ear wires. Wow, I really did. I didn't remember even getting these. I really am trying to do something different. Okay, so these are called leverback ear wires. So you can make earrings look so different just with the type of ear wire you use. I'm finding that out as I do more creative things. I'm really a creature of habit, so I want to branch out, do something different. This is, okay, it doesn't say. I guess these are just glass beads, although I think they look like Wagnerite to me, just different shades of that stone. They have like lines going through it. I believe it's like Wagnerite. I have some like this that I bought from Michael's. They were round balls instead of these discs, but they labeled that as Wagnerite. And this one does not have a label. So I have to maybe do some research to know what type of stone that is, or like what type of bead. Okay, and I got some Picasso beads. So these are like the larger ones, and then I also have the smaller ones. These seem to be a pretty popular bead right now, the different shades of Picasso beads. And so that's my little mini haul. Yep, that's my haul for today. And I think I'm gonna probably come on later on and do another video. I'm gonna probably get 2 videos done today. I'd like to make a video, like a tutorial with some of the earrings that I make with these different types of ear wires. I think that'll be pretty. And also to look forward to on my channel is my first installment for the Jewelry Making Fun collab. I'll make that. That'll be available on the 18th. And so I'm gonna have to get busy. I have all these things, and like I say, I have to find something very pretty and constructive to do with all these things I buy. So I'm not just going out there buying stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Remember this, this was today at Hobby Lobby. It's 50% off. I suggest getting things when they're on sale. Like every other week, sometimes they have different things that, that go on sale. Especially if you have a shop or you sell you sell your items. It's best to get them half off. And that way there's more profit for you. But you might also just like to do this for fun because you love to make your jewelry. So either way, it's good to save money. It's great for to have everybody here. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.